How to transfer money from OnePay to Chime. OnePay is a digital wallet and financial app by Walmart that lets users store money, make payments, transfer funds, and manage everyday spending electronically. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from OnePay to Chime. Open the OnePay app. As you can see, this is the homepage of OnePay. There is a section called Add Money, tap on that. Then enter the amount you want to transfer. Click here and choose on the word bank account. It's going to go ahead and load up Plaid, which is a service that actually links up your bank accounts instantaneously for quick verification. If you have used Plaid before, sign in with your phone number and then it should have all your accounts saved for the banks that you have connected. Then tap on Chime and click on Confirm button. It's going to take us over to Add Money section. Then you have to click on Continue again. Now you can see Chime and Bank option. Tap on that, then click Transfer. That's it, that's how you can transfer money from OnePay to Chime. Thanks for watching.